Good. Really good with the club face. That ball's not moving an inch.
Yep.
Path was better there, just slightly right.
Yep.
How'd that feel?
Felt good.
Good?
Felt really good.
Why don't you go ahead and grab a pitching wedge for me, and we're gonna switch targets here. Kind of wrap it up. Why don't you go at that red flag for me? It's probably about 100, 105.
All right.
Try to land it in that green area. Like, see the cutout
Yep.
where the green, imaginary green is?
Yep.
Try and land it in that circle.
All right. Oh.
There the path was left.
Yeah.
Also, that you were very quick on that, so you're quick back, decel on the way down.
All right.
Try to get a smooth backswing we just talked about, smooth takeaway, more of an aggressive follow through. This probably isn't a full shot for you if it's only
Yep.
105.
Yep.
It was a good hit. Path a little left again.
Yep.
That's good. That means you're making changes. Something's different because earlier today your path was right. Now your path's left.
Right.
Just from doing that drill. Good. How'd that feel?
Good. Felt great.
Path slightly left again, club face perfect, but your ball's not moving whatsoever. That's
Yeah.
great. So that tells me you're really good with the hands. You're getting that club face
Right.
dead square every time.
Right.
So how do you feel switching clubs, going from the 6-iron to the pitching wedge to maybe a 7-iron or 4-iron? You feel comfortable
Yeah.
just bouncing around? All right,
Yeah.
so this is what I want you to do for practice
Okay.
for next week. Next week we'll get into our woods. Maybe hit a lot of drivers and see what you're doing with your pre-wood.
Okay.
But for practice before next week, I want you to come out here once over the course of this next week and hit. I want you to hit 2 shots in a row, land in that circle on each one of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flags.
Okay.
That makes sense. So you might have to hit a wedge, land 2 in the green. Once you hit 2 in a row in the green, then
Switch.
go to the red.
Okay.
That way you're hitting 2 shots,
Right.
landing in that zone you want, and then moving to the next one.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So you'll be hitting 6 different clubs, trying to land them in the target, and then
Sure.
depending on how that goes, how long it takes you, you can, if you want to do similar to the clock drill, if you only hit 1 out
Yeah.
of the 2 in your target, maybe
go
you stay at
back.
that target.
Okay.
But if you miss both of them, if you go 0 for 2 in that target, maybe you go back
Okay.
a target.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
So that should take you, depending on how you're hitting it that day,
Right.
obviously, but it might take you anywhere from half an hour to
Right.
45 minutes,
Right.
whatever.
Sure.
All right?
All right.
So I want you to do that for practice next week, and then, keep in mind that drill that we talked about, improving the path of your club, getting the
Mm-hmm.
more of a straight back takeaway
Right.
and a slower takeaway
Yep.
to where you can accelerate through the golf shack.
Right.
That's helping that drill was helping your path as well as your tempo
Right.
of your golf swing.
Yep.
So yeah, work on that drill if you want to work on the drill a little bit when you first get out here, and then jump into the target practice that
Okay.
we just talked about.
All right.
All right.
Sounds
So
good.
you're welcome to stay out here and hit a few more if you want.
Okay.
I'm gonna go inside, and we'll see you next week.
All right. Sounds
All right?
good.
Thanks, Cole.
Thanks.